Today is December 7th in the morning, 4 o'clock in the morning. We are on the way to called Tso Pema. Tso Pema is one of the holy place in Buddhism. So we're excited to visit Tso Pema, supposed to be a lake. This is the first time I'm gonna go there. So right now we are driving from Dharamsala to Tso Pema. It's gonna take about 4 hours. So brace for this journey to Tso Pema. This is a one-way road or two-way road? Okay, we are going on two-way road.
Very good commander.
Two-way road, okay. Almost reaching top of the Tso Pema, where we can see the view. Also, roads are so narrow. So if you blink your eyes, you will find yourself at the bottom of the hill. Just brace for this narrow road. Okay, we got Tso Pema, right?
Tso Pema Tabu.
Okay, Tso Pema Tabu. So we got some prayer flags, and we're gonna walk up to the top and we're hanging prayer flags. Okay, let's go. Climb the mountain. Billy Donkey. Okay, we're at the Tso Pema. It's a holy place where the Guru Rinpoche gave teachings, where he got married actually here. So right now we are hanging prayer flags, doing our prayers for the happiness, for the world peace. Here's where we're hanging the prayer flags at the Tso Pema. So prayer flags is the print or the Buddhist script on the different colors of on the cloth, and that signifies the prayers. So we hang in the air, supposedly wind blow the prayers into the universe, and where we pray for all the sentient beings. May peace and happiness prevail on the planet. Thank you very much. Oma Banjan Guru Pema Sada This is a cave where Guru Rinpoche left his footprint on the rock. So that's a record of his footprint. It's a great pleasure to come here to witness Guru Rinpoche's footprint.